An employee moved. Keeping their address current in ADP is crucial for mailing W-2s and other important documents. Here's the quick update. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. As an admin, go to the employee profile in Workforce Now. Find the personal information section and click to edit. Update the home address fields with the new information. Don't forget to save your changes. For employee self-service, which is best? The employee can log into the ADP portal or mobile app themselves. They navigate to their profile, update their own address, and submit it. The change may route to you for approval, depending on your settings. My crucial pro tip: require documentation for a tax jurisdiction change. If the new address is in a different city or state, this changes their tax withholding. Have the employee provide proof of residence and submit a new state W-4, then update their tax setup in ADP accordingly. That's a simple task that protects you from mailing and tax errors. Do you encourage employees to update their own info, or does HR handle all changes? Let me know in the comments. For more quick administrative tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.